Na kabinta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Kublay phiba ro ginigilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Umentri rangba kajila u Conrad K Sangma ulapanti kana ba kajing sha pyniap we nong jo kai na indoor kalawan ra kajing sngokhya ka bajur. Khamtam ha kajila Meghalaya ka bajotip kum kajila ka ba eat briu barkar khu pat ba yakinong man jo kai prathai. Haba ay jing pran shikilat pathay khubore kasngi balang ula ong baka sorkar kan penshisha baka hok kanyo bat baki briu ki badan kti kan sha pengad hakaan. Usang ma ula ong ka Meghalaya ka day ka jilla ka baju penpau ya ka jing ien bar ka jing men jangi pat ba ya ki nongwan jingok kai. Omdan bala kmi lanti baka kum kani ka jing jia kan sajia ha ka jilla ka baju priang snobha ya ki spa angut ki nongwan jingok kai man ka snem bar ka baklem judon kinu ki jing jia basnosi. Ngidang Tracy Tambanwat ya kajing shisha halor kata kajing jia ompat shai halor kajing ya lenti jongane kajing jia long usi bat penpauru kajing sngokya kabajur ulo ongru babaro ki pat ba bat ki kinhun trailang ki les no okti ban penyo jing shai halor kajing yap jong ushin rang bar kajing ja rungai jong ka kanthei bat ula kularu ba ka sarkar kanom kan pelong lut ya kajing tokit ban nap tikna ya kajing shisha. Haba kali la ka sorkar ka day ban pha to kit da ka CBI usang ma ula juba ka jing shisha ka ha ban mi shakman ngi day ban lap ya ka jing shisha da menta ka dang ploy palat ban ong namar bon ki benta ki dang kulmar henry la ka long ka ki ru ngin ne lut ka ka badon kam ban penshitom ya ki badon kti ha ka ne ngin pentikna ba ka hok kan yo ula benram Upen pauru bagane ka jingja kala ban bo ka ha ka dor jong ka jilla henry upen tikna ba ka Meghalaya ka de ka jilla ka ba iet ikinong wan jingok kai bar ki pat ba ru kilong ki ba priang sngoba
incident and it is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before, this kind of a incident. It was taken all of us by surprise and all of us by shock. In fact, even the local people are very surprised. The local stakeholders in the tourism sector are very surprised and very concerned. So it's something that we actually never expected. We all know that Meghalaya has always been a tourist friendly area. We've always ensured the safety of tourists. So in the last many years, lakhs and lakhs of tourists have come. So this is something which is very out of the ordinary for us also. Having said that, we are very sad, of course, that this kind of incident has happened. And my deepest condolences and respects for the family members. I know it's a great loss for them, but I want to assure the family members that we are working overtime to make sure that we get to the facts and the depth of really what happened. We're all not very clear as of now what the sequence of events were, what happened, how it happened. We are still looking for the wife also of the individual whose body was found. We are also concerned about many factors that are there. But as I said, it's not just the government and the police. The entire society, the entire community, and the entire stakeholders have deeply gotten involved in this. Because now it is, as I said, it is it's a matter that's of great importance to all of us, and let me assure the family members that we will leave no stone unturned to ensure we find out the details of the facts of what really happened, and also try to work as fast as possible to find the other missing person who still we have not been able to find.
Well, the brother of the are demanding a CBI probe into this entire episode. What's your stance?
It is important to get into the facts of the situation, very important, and the truth must come out. Therefore, whatever steps that are required as per the situation, we will take appropriate decisions then. Right now, it's too early to say what's happening and how much we know and how much we don't know, because there's so many missing links and factors even now as we speak. So therefore, it is very early to say exactly how to move forward in the entire investigation. But as I said, we will leave no stone unturned, and whatever has to be done to get out the facts and to make sure that the people who are responsible for this should be brought to books, the state government will leave no stone unturned. Refrain from going into any conclusion as of now. But I have said in my opening remarks that this is something that we have not seen in Meghalaya before. It's not something that is something that happens in Meghalaya. We are all very shocked and surprised with what has happened, and we are very upset and very sad about it. But I don't want to jump into the conclusions as to what could have happened. Let the investigation continue. Let the facts come out. Let the details come out, and then we will see how to move forward.
But
Of course, this should have never happened. It's a very sad and a very unfortunate incident that has happened. So therefore, there is no doubt that this is something that we are all very very concerned about and we're upset about. But as I said, it's not something that is that has been happening in Meghalaya. It's something that has been suddenly hit us. In fact, we also were very surprised by it. But as I said, let me assure the family members that we will do everything we are already doing, and we will continue to do everything in our capacity to find out the truth and make sure that justice is done.
Sir, have
Some people may try to bring that into the factor, but we all know that Sohra and the entire state of Meghalaya has always been known for pro tourism activities. Yes, there are incidents once in a while that does happen, but at large, overall, we have seen that Meghalaya and its people are very very receptive to tourists. Again, I'm saying it with a caveat that yes, there could be one or two incidents in the past also. Nothing major the way it has happened. There could have been past incidents, but majority of the cases, this small incidents earlier. I'm not talking about this. This is a very big incident, but I'm talking about other old smaller incidents that happened. A lot of things happen in many states, in many countries around the world. In fact, it's not just Meghalaya has faced challenges, and comparatively, we have faced less challenges, I should say, and we have been doing far better when it comes to tourism. And that's why a large number of tourists, even till today, are coming to Meghalaya. So there are challenges, but I'm sure that we will overcome these challenges. Regarding this incident, as I said, yes, it has been a huge, unfortunate incident for us. But as I said, we will move forward, and we will ensure that number one, justice is done, and we will also ensure that number two, that more measures are taken in the future, so that more and more of our community people and systems are enhanced in the future, so that no such incidents should ever happen in Meghalaya again.
any update?